tell me that I'm never gonna make it.
Guys, dito kami sa labas ni Lakshmi. Dito kami nag-lunch sa Best Curry Restaurant. Indian shop siya. Indian restaurant. And super, ang sarap ng food. Ayan. Ang sarap ng food nila dito. And si Lakshmi andoon naglalaro. Naka-uniform pa siya. Come, let's go. We're gonna go inside the shop to find the fruits one. Tapos, punta kami dito sa kabilang shop. Kung meron silang Indian shop din. Indian shop na may mga varieties of things. Ayan. So, no. We're gonna find the fruit. The amla fruit. Amla fruit ka, Ada? Amla, Oh, he got. Sana here. I'm gonna buy this one, the amla fruit. This one is, yeah, thank you. Sana! Dahil alam nyo ba, ito guys ay napaka-healthy. So, hinahalo ko to sa juice. Wait, I'm gonna take first, okay? Lakshmi! Can you help mommy? Ayan, kumuha ako ng 15 pieces. Or to timbang. Gonna weigh in first there. Over there, come. Weigh in first, guys.
So, that's ringgit, 13.
Alright, okay. Sure.
Yeah?
Yeah. Okay.
So, that's ringgit, 13.
Alright. Okay, thank you. 11.30 cents. 11 ringgit and 30 cents. What do you want there? You have a potu already. How much is it? Gusto niyo yata ng potu. How much do you want it? How much is it?
So cool!
Can I see? Let me check first.
I'll show
You ask the auntie how much is it. Ito guys, ang madaming mga bangles dito. Different kind of bangles. Huh? Tapos ito yung mga photo na nilalagay ng mga Indian
3,
sa noon nila.
4,
So for you,
5.
what do you want?
A lot of food is here.
Yeah, I want to buy oil for mommy. Magbili ako ng oil ko sa hair, guys. Hanap tayo ng oil. Which oil is good for the hair? Because, yeah. Everything is good. Everything is okay.
This one's the best.
Which one, ah?
The
Rosemary. Best daw itong rosemary. Try natin yung amoy. Okay naman yung amoy niya. Matapang. This one, hibiscus. Argan oil. Check it. Sahana! Yung argan oil, guys. Ayoko ng amoy niya. No, I don't like. Meron ding onion. Try naman natin tong amoy nito. In fairness, mabango yung onion. Bango siya. Kahit onion yung brand. I mean yung ingredients niya. Almond or argan?
Million?
Okay.
We got 2 million.
Yung almond naman. Tignan natin tong almond. Okay din yung amoy. But don't know which one is the best for the hair.
How many people?
Din iba-ibang brand dito. Ito coconut.
Okay.
Then ito serum. Coconut oil and vitamin E. How much is it? 22 ringgit. Quite expensive. Smells good. Bago yung amoy niya. Si Lakshmi, hindi ko alam kung anong kinukuha niya. Sana! Dito na lang tayo mag-stick. Hi! Na ako guys. Wait lang ha. Ano yung kukunin ko? Argan coconut hair oil. Meron din silang mga brightening cream. Hindi ko alam kung ano ba, effective ba. Totoo bang nakakapag, brightening or ano lang. Nakasulat lang. Fairness, mahal siya. Right na ako guys. Na tayo. Total how much? Oh, 22.90. Alright. Okay.
Siri, jangan.
What is that? What do you want?
Ano lama-lama dito?
Alright. Terima kasih.
Kissing.
Terima kasih. No. Take it. Come. Let's go. Super init sa labas. Come on. Guys, ano bang tawag dito? Yung bunga ng marunggay. Ewan ko how much. Ito pala yung food na pinagkainan namin guys. Indian restaurant. That's the side. It's a veggies. Kind of veggies. Ubus na. Kaganina meron pa laman. Naubos na. Tapos may mga muroko. Then sweets. Uwi na tayo guys. Dahil si Lakshmi ay pagod na galing school. So, gusto na niyang matulog. Aga siya nagigising. Gusto na niyang matulog. See ya! Dito na tayo sa bahay guys. Come on, let's go. Dito si Richikote. Okay. At si Lakshmi ay inaantok na. Okay, take off your clothes and then go shower, okay? And go nap. Mag-nap siya, guys. Mag-3 o'clock na. Okay, put down the chair first. Maligo muna si Lakshmi. And after that, siya ay mag-nap. Pagod na daw siya sa ano niya. Sa uniform niya. And super init talaga. So, wait lang. Bago ako umalis sa kanina, guys, sinanong ko yung labahan ko. So, natapos na. Pwede ko na siya masampay. At si Lakshmi ay nag-nap. Panahon today is, kulimlim. So, presko. At gumawa ako nitong aking juice. Pinaghalang carrot, apple, orange, ay binili kong amla fruit. Yung amla fruit na yung gas, napaka-healthy. So, better yung na kinakain or ginagawang juice. It's 7:45 na ng gabi, guys. Pagluluto ko si Lakshmi ng fried rice at yun ang magiging dinner niya. Lalagyan ko lang ng beans. Ito, yung nabili kong beans, tsaka egg. Yun lang yung halo ko. Gigisa ko sa bawang at sibuyas. Magpapagpag ko si Lakshmi ng kanyang dinner, guys. Mag-fried rice ako. Para sa kanya lang naman. Kasi ako, hindi ako magkain ng gabi. At ako ay mag-oats. Fried rice for sa Hana. Nilagyan ko lang itong beans. Tsaka itlog. Gigisa ko sa bawang at sibuyas. $7:45 na dito. So, kailangan nung magluto para kay Lakshmi ng kanyang dinner. At nagrereklamo na siyang gutom. Si Lakshmi kumakain ng sibuyas at garlic. Hindi na lang, di mahirap pakainin. Ito na ang fried rice ni Lakshmi. So, ready na siyang mag-dinner. Let's go, akit tayo sa taas. Tapos na siyang gumawa ng kanyang homework. See, let me see. Hindi pa pala. Sabi ko tapusin niya yon. Abang ako ay nagluluto ng kanyang fried rice. Hindi pa pala siya tapos.
Sure.
Oh, faster. Ha?
Show that
You're
one.
gonna eat shortly.
Show that one.
See, I already show it.
No, not
Go
yet.
faster. Dinner, guys. Magi-instant Quaker oats lang ako tonight. Actually, almost every night ito yung kinakain ko. Hindi na ako palakain ng kanin ng gabi. Haluin ko lang ng milk. 1, 2, 3 scoops. 3. And powder milk. 2 spoons nito. Naman. Okay. Namin ni Lakshmi, oats for mommy and fried rice for her. Let's eat! Ubus na yung oats ko. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
So, Hannah's still eating.
Bye.
Tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me